Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we will talk about how to perform token exchange on the Rootstock platform using the Symbiosis protocol. Rootstock is an innovative sidechain platform built on top of the Bitcoin network. It combines the security of Bitcoin with the capabilities of executing smart contracts, creating an unparalleled combination in the field of blockchain technology. One of the key advantages of integrating the Symbiosis protocol is the increased level of security. The Rootstock platform is based on the reliable Bitcoin network and uses proof of work to confirm transactions. This provides a high degree of reliability and protection against possible fraudulent schemes. In addition, the Symbiosis finance protocol boasts high efficiency in token exchange on the Rootstock platform. Let's start with Symbiosis. To begin, connect your wallet to Symbiosis. To do this, click on Connect Wallet in the top right corner and select the wallet you are using. We are using the MetaMask wallet. To select the network for sending the departure token, click on the Transfer From field. If your token is not listed, you can manually add the token's smart contract. You also need to select the destination network, Rootstock, and the token you want to receive. If you have selected a different network in your wallet that differs from the sending network, you need to change it by clicking on the Switch Network button. You can manually change the receiving address by clicking on the Enter Rootstock address field and typing in the desired address. Make sure to double-check the address for accuracy before confirming the transfer. Enter the amount for the exchange. Within a few seconds, the amount to be received and the exchange route will be calculated for you. You also need to confirm the tokens in your wallet. Great, you are ready for the swap. Please check all the details before proceeding. You can also modify the swap parameters by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. To start the swap process, click on the Swap button and confirm your transaction in the wallet. Congratulations! Your exchange has been confirmed. In a few seconds, you can check the balance of your wallet. We hope that this video has been informative for you and has helped you understand how to exchange tokens on the Rootstock network using the Symbiosis protocol. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to your comments and questions.